all of them when they sell for road.
Hey,
be careful. Now look at that story for
that one where I put for Delta State where motor
when jeep run enter newspaper stand. Kill 3 people.
3.
Una when they shade for road, shade enter road. Una dey careful. We go report the matter today. Call the market. We go report am. When we say the market don spread enter road. Call the market name today. Call them. The market when we say they don spread share enter inside road.
Share the market.
Why?
Enter inside road.
Why?
Tell us.
They go block motor. They go block road. For you to cross na problem. For you to walk na problem.
Na problem.
And they get shop for inside the market too.
And the way they go dey tell you say if you hit the load, if you hit my load, if you hit my load.
One thing.
On top of the WhatsApp, person say Ogara and anti-information minister. Good morning. Aswani and Oshodi market to Rita from Magboro. That means Aswani market. Now then they share enter road. Oshodi market. Now true. Oshodi. Say you go Oshodi market. Say you want buy something. You no go see road even pass. They shade enter market.
Oh, big Lord. Hello, the phone line.
Hello, Ryan Nation.
Yes, so I see you. Talk to me.
Sir.
Morning to you.
It's Mrs. Suchi.
Let's go.
Yes, Ikorodu Agric bus stop. Go.
Are you serious?
You know the speed leg enter road. They shed market. Even one enter side road. Go safe. Before you go past now, wahala.
They write them down. Okay, you say what you call Agric market, Abi, for Ikorodu, Abi.
Yes.
Okay. Agric market for Ikorodu because for here we go dey shout down for here gun. Thank you. Somebody say Ratata, you need to see Ikotu market right under Ikotu market, especially in the evening. Too bad. Rita from Ikotu market. This one said did the market gun. It's a very terrible thing for Ikotu market. More go back to the phone lines. Hello, the phone lines.
Hello, Ra.
Yeah, morning to you.
Good morning, this is from
yeah, let's go.
Mushi na Novo area.
Mushi market, Abi?
Mushi market, they involved.
They say enter road. They should enter road.
In fact, they are on safe too much. No go fit see where to pass.
Sure. They not get Yaloja Baba or trade union. When go they correct the thing?
Why don't they get now? No, because those ones they collect all their money. They get.
Thank you.
They are market like this. So.
Okay.
Then they shape their market for road. Inside that market, the market always there for 4 days.
Okay.
If they carry motor, they pass there. You know, go pass. Now they even shift their goods come out from the road.
For Agbara market.
Yes.
But una not get trade union, abi market head and market union, Iyaloja Baba Oja.
No. Me, no say who they come the market where come buy something. Even if you want to motor drive past the market, you know go still carry motor pass.
Sure, now wow. So no orderliness at all. Yeah, no orderliness at all.
I tell you, you know what the market go say? No control for you.
Are you serious?
No.
Why be say our Nigerian market be like that? Thank you very much. Okay, this person they talk say Ratata, you don't go to Tedo show market for that.
Hey!
He said na die.
That one na the real market.
He said na die. He said that place na fight. You go to fight to take pass. People waiting. You know some speller. Why you go to speller come and say Teddy? You crazy? He say okay. He say not be smart enough. He say in fact now fight you go dey fight to pass. People they display enter road. The hawkers too go dey block road. People say they go dey waka. Nothing pass with leg or even motor. Uncle Max say tell you show market. He say now die.
This one say Ratata first tax second gate market. All the walkway na so stalls full am. No road for leg to waka sef. This one na from Tunde and na first tax.
Who they collect the money sef?
I don't know.
You know why when they stay outside?
No.
Outside the shop.
No.
They feel say if they stay inside they sell.
They don't get customer.
Customer know they see them.
To
decide to cover road. If they pass, you go they find how you go they pass. But one problem come now, this one come now, maybe they don't kill her. They will think the person a really planner.
Yes.
And the thing now, for them to stay there, no good.
No good.
Thank you. Okay, so because now what you make us they discuss this matter like now that newspaper stand for Delta State when jeep run enter.
Apart from that one, you know say no be the first time sef. Even for Auchi, you know that one where they clear that truck.
Not even truck sef na trailer.
Clear
for road. Clear them early this year.
No be today this road this thing they happen.
If you see that video that I will show you, not be your the motor kill people tire that trailer. Not
if to say dem dey inside market
Tuesday.
the team of no come meet them but na road
We
go
agree say at times devil dey that so kind driver side there. They even dey run enter inside shop.
na so.
But again, you yourself go even help yourself. The road don come when busy you call shit enter road. We
no
know say
protection
nothing safe. Somebody say he say you see Mandela market, okay, Mandela's market Mandela's market right and down he said they are too much. Hey, he say even for flyover that they go use market block everywhere for Mandela's market. He say now why RORS they disturb them every time. Somebody say you got to market 4 lines still. Hello.
Hello, Ratata. Good morning, sir.
Morning to you, sir. Talk to us, sir.
Emeka from Festa.
Let's go, Emeka.
Yes. Information. Good morning.
Morning.
The other day I went to Jankara Market.
Market, okay.
Yeah, I stopped at Idumota bus stop.
Yeah.
Left and right.
They block everywhere.
For road. Anything where did they say now for road?
Are you serious?
Understand?
Person don't talk for you.
Danfo and Keke Step, no, they see where did they pass.
Why it be like that? What did they cost ourselves?
Idumota bus stop. They before I enter Jankara Market, they go left. Even you get where they dump the for road. They know they park themselves.
Sure.
People they sell vegetable by the corner of
the dirty.
Hey,
I'm telling you.
And the fly when they fly around the dirty, with the price for the vegetable.
Just go Idumota. Just go and see Idumota bus stop before you enter Jankara Market. You go see left and right.
God.
For road. They go post something like something like carton. They go they sell their market for road. I'm telling you, motor go they hide for them. May no jam person.
Yes.
Because of say they sell market there.
And they tell you, motor can jam and keep person safe.
If you jam somebody there, they go, oh, you say you don't jam person. But
yes.
Look and say, now person, they sell something for road, you don't go see where you go pass. If they tell them, when I know inside market, when I go say, they could even they sort you on top concept. Say, okay, you know, go mind your business, they go where they go.
Are you
something
serious?
Like that, you know? So, yeah.
Thank you. That is why, and I don't know why this country we know they get orderliness. It they hard. It they hard for us to they organize. Why it be like that?
You know, say this one when they talk, say people they feel say they no go see them for inside the market. Now because there's no market structure. It's a market structure now. For market structure now, you suppose get area where they say provision.
Something like that.
Then you not be all the markets now. You go get area where they sell livestock, that is meat, fish, all those things. You suppose get area where you go sell clothes, then rice. So you know say okay, if I go like this, na provision side. If I go like this, na meat side. If I go like this, na vegetable side. Now so it's supposed to be. But these people now they go carry all the things go road. They go carry and go road.
Somebody they talk for you. He say Odogunyon bus stop market Ratata. He say na dead. He say no way. He say no way. Even vehicle self na wahala. Ajasco now they talk. Okay. No, he say thanks from thanks. Okay, from Roscoe Ajasco. Now they talk from Ikorodu. He say Odogunyon market na die. I don't understand. No orderliness. And the same people go they say. This will say okay, he say years back from New Benin market now someone to kill them first from Israel. They say so motor road enter them. Because if the motor call like that, nothing go save now. Imagine those people now when go stand for that newspaper stand. Okay, they don't die for nothing.
They read newspaper. They go there, they don't die for nothing. They read 3 of them. You see
the motor fail break.
You see
jump enter them because the guy dey road now.
Dey road they share in newspaper. Now there they go look paper to buy. Now in this thing come meet there so.
Wetin be the remedy? Wetin be the solution? This person say, my brother, you dey ask he say Agboro dey collect money from each and every one of them. Iyaloja or Baba Oja they even dey get returns. See fine now they talk. Wetin be the remedy? Wetin be the solution? Let's go.
All the markets wey dey for Lagos dey affected almost all because see dem here na dem plenty almost all. Hello, who dey there?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, who be this?
Grace from Ikotun.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Sir, this what you are saying is true. The remedy now is that government should look into it very well because like Sele market, several times trailer will run and kill a lot of them.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Jesus Christ.
Even Ichegu market, the same thing. even the Kotu market in the evening, as of now I'm talking about the Kotu market. If you pass through by police station, you cannot pass it, even this morning.
Yeah.
So government should find solution to it.
Sure.
This boundary market, not like say their own, not just know what na fit count am.
Okay.
Only that road, if you just come out like this, say, "Well, go and papa," you not go fit see where anywhere. They don't
Sure.
They don't use it. So when say they call the market, call by something, they park their motor for the road. See where the same market.
Yes.
On the road. So no way, because they cost many hold up.
Yes.
You understand me? Then because they go to Lu Road against them. Another one.
But they supposed to get Iyaloja up about I bet this one say just close eye.
Yeah. Remember that when I do market cross?
Yes.
When you say make I go see the Iyaloja. I tell you what they tell me.
Yes.
And then they fight for their own pocket. They don't fight for the masses.
Sure.
And it's not good.
Yes.
They got many havoc to the people.
Of course.
Mostly people say they don't get motor, they don't get a bike.
Yes.
They use ordinary legs.
Accident. They don't consider that.
I'm telling you.
No, they do something about that.
Jesus. Thank you.
Now, as we dey talk this one, in short, major of the majority of the markets wey dey for inside Lagos, na dem dey affected for this one. They don't call Agric market. They don't call Ikotun market. Oshodi market no loss for this one. Aswani market dey there. Mushin market dey there. Ajegule market dey there. Yanoba market dey there. Boundary market, they say that one no be small thing. Agbara market dey there. Teddy Osho market for Yaba, they say no way to waka, nowhere to go. This one they say first tag, second gate market dey there. Alaba Suru market dey there. Mandelas market dey there. Idumota market dey there. Odogunyo market dey there. My 12 market dey there. Balogun market dey there. Bariga market dey there. Oba market dey there. So you see say all this market wey be mentioned now, all of them dey inside Lagos here so. And then inside this work talk where we dey talk so, say that they carry shed, come shed for front of that is for outside.
I don't understand. Somebody say, for the WhatsApp, somebody say Ratata, Ugeli market for Delta State now waiting now road that the shade market put to.
You see,
so when I travel this April,
you see,
my sister when they sell for that market, he say motor trailer run kiss more picking for the market because the mama they sell for the roadsides there. He said that every time trailer the young people they kill them for the market for the road.
You see, so all this talk where we dey talk, not be say we just want talk. No.
All the market people, all the market union.
Yes.
I don't understand.
You know they collect money, use the money to do things wey pure. Make the market get structure. Make everybody. I know say everybody want make them see their market. So structure your market in the way baby say they go each section. They go see the things where they want buy. Not be say those people go road because they want
the difference between shopping mall and all this regular market. You know they say. That means people cannot go the regular market because they are not there for wahala.
No.
You just go shopping mall, waka, you go session by session.
And those shopping mall not be small breaking of, But anyway, now orderliness dey there. Anything you dey find, you go see the section. You go just waka go the section. See what you want buy for there. Buy am.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oya, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.